नीलाचल निवासाय नित्याय परमात्मने बलभद्र सुभद्राभ्याय जनकाय नमः।
एक्चुअली आम आज दिज जाक ही आसलु मे फेयर रे इंटरव्यू टाइम्स रो प्रोग्राम थिला गांधी जयंती अवसर रे गवर्नर को प्रोग्राम थिला गोटे वीडियो तैयारी करछि आशा करी वीडियोटी आपण मानकु भल लागिवो नहीं कि बढ़िया वीडियोटी होछि आपण वीडियो देखंतु
हम फूल
नहीं जाऊँ
सी बढ़िया तार कैमरा तो लाइट कसको अंधारा लगे तो लाइट आसे सेमती कैमरा दरकार मो अंदर आसलो कौन ना
is really a treat for anybody, and I wish that you do.
Thank you so very much, sir, for your wonderful words. Sir, namaskar. Sir, केमती अछंती एवं
अच्छा लगा। गज था ये मन मेरा 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 लिख दिया नाम इसमें तेरा।
Ajay Patel, I'm director with IFCO Paradip unit. I'm in the business of manufacturing fertilizers, and we are operating the world's largest phosphoric acid plant and India's largest integrated acid and fertilizer plant. The way you have done this, super. So I don't have any thing to be sung in front of you, but I feel like.
Love you. Thank you.
Elena, you are one of our inspiration tonight and the many more years to come, and you have achieved something in a very small amount of years, and गोटे ताड़ी जोरदार हवा दरकार एलिना को भाई बहुत ही सुंदर। एंड रिसेंटली आई हैव बिकम फैन ऑफ हर डांसिंग। मो आगुर एते डांस ताकर देखि नथली, बट एपे शी इज लाइक इलेक्ट्रिफाइंग कोन माने को सो एलिना आज इवनिंग एवं आज इवेंट विषय दुई पद आपमठु सुनिबा। प्लीज पुट योर हैंड्स टुगेदर लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन। हियर वी वेरी माने स्टार जो एक्चुअली जमीन पर है, वेरी डाउन टू अर्थ, एलिना सामंतराय।
Firstly, thank you so much for having me. I'm really grateful. Entire team को बहुत धन्यवाद देवी। और क्या किसी कोई भी नहीं, just very overwhelmed and very grateful.
Thank you. Please have your seat. And with this, we will move on. And आमे आगो को जीवा निश्चित भाବରେ
इंटरनेशनल लेवल। थैंक यू एंड बहुत मोर इनवाइट करा है जिम आसे तो, बट शी इज नॉट कमिंग टू।
Ravindra Narayan Pheda, Honorable Member of Parliament, Jajpur, and the Chief Advisor of IT Media Network. We have with us Professor Kishore Kumar Basa, Chairman National Monuments Authority. We have with us Shri B.K. Dash, Director General, DRDO ECS. And this meeting is being chaired by Dr. Dibajit Sahu, Group Editor, The Interview Times.
Thank you, Subhajit, and I extend a very warm welcome to each and every one of you in this hall, and thank you so very much on the dais, all the gentlemen, for being here this evening.
नीलाचल निवासाय नित्याय परमात्मने बलभद्र सुभद्राभ्याय च नखाय
आज এই কার্যক্রমে নিজের ব্যস্ত বহুল
But we are also giving away the awards for the most prestigious top 20 most inspirational personalities of Odisha. Let's go ahead with the felicitation ceremony.
I would request everyone to please join your hands as we felicitate our esteemed guest on the stage. The chief guest of this evening, His Excellency Honorable Governor of Odisha, Shri Raghuvar Das Ji. Please join your hands, ladies and gentlemen. Please put your hands together. We have Dr. Ravindra Narayan Behra, Honorable Member of Parliament, Jajpur, and Chief Advisor, IT Media Network.
Ladies and gentlemen, a token of gratitude on behalf of the Interview Times to His Excellency Honorable Governor of Odisha, Shri Raghuvar.
Thank you so very much, sir. It's an absolute honor to have you here.
Gratitude for Professor Kishore Kumar Basa, Chairperson of National Monuments Authority. May I request everyone to please be alert.
B.K. Das Ji, Dr. Director General, DRDO, ECS. I would request all of you all to please join your hands. Please give him a huge round of applause.
वर्तमान इंटरव्यू टाइम्स परिवार तरफरु स्वतंत्र भाव रे संबर्धना ग्रहण करछन्ती
On the stage, I would request all of you all to please join your hands. Give it a huge round of applause.
Ladies and gentlemen, we have an exciting lineup of stories, features and editorial for you all to make your Durga Puja even more special. आशा करूछि इंटरव्यू टाइम्स रो दुर्गा पूजा एडिशन समस्त को पाखरे पहुंचबो ओडिसा रो कोन अनुकोण रे पहुंचो प्रभु श्री जगन्नाथ पाखरे केवल एतिकी प्रार्थना. Can we have another round of applause for this wonderful moment as we
Jai Jagannath. Governor sir, indeed a pleasure and delight to invite you and welcome to the 13th anniversary of Interview Times. It's an absolute honor and privilege. Entire family members of Interview Times, sir. Sir, your auspicious presence has not just stimulated our spirit, it has motivated our more energetic to bring most important, valuable magazine called Interview Times. Sir, for the time information, this is the only interview-based magazine in the country, sir. We launched it 2012, sir, 13 years back. When you launched it, this is the privileged moment to share some how you started, how you conceptualized, and both of reading about travel edition and sensation story, TRP, very innovation. Then you started the idea called Interview Times. At that time, we started that thing. So we had the fear whether it will click or not. But today you are celebrating grandest way that you have covered and traveled almost all parts of the state. That shows your dedication to solve the people. On my personal ground, I have met you several times. I didn't require sort of formalities and all that to meet you because you put people on your heart. That's the spirit you carry for the people of Odisha. Whenever I met, you always share your stories that matters to the most. So you're very much clear on that occasion. So you're not going to try to divide by paid journalism or something like that. You are stating what you are today, and you must thrive in that direction. So thank you.
At the outset, my heartiest congratulations to President Sahuji, Dr. Vajish Sahu. We have been connected in the research with Petrakala. And when barely we were just not even knew how to make missiles way back in early 80s. And with that journey, with indigenous technology, with support of industries and academic institutions, today India is considered to a leading global.
ಹಾಗೂ ರಿಲೀಸ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ವಹಿಸಿ ಮೋ ಇಂಟ್ರೋ ಟೈಮ್ಸ್ ಬರಲಾರ್ದು ಮೊದಲು ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಸಮಸ್ಯೆಗಳು ಹಾರ್ದಿಕ ಅಭಿನಂದನೆ our honorable governor before coming to all of you. Tonight is my first meeting with your excellency today. I thought of meeting you earlier, but I thought I should take this opportunity of meeting you. I was observing him right from the day he joined as governor. I think we have come. Therefore, all of us to learn. It doesn't make any difference which background you are from. It is about 3%. Now, ladies and gentlemen, we have to come up. India has that to be a kind of an ultimate point where you cannot grow. Therefore, giving more importance to the manufacturing sector is the need of the day. That's the first thing I would like to point out. But the second thing, here our honorable governor is many bit after 20 years. Are you making that planning? For God's sake, enough short-term planning has been made. Now time has come, we should think in terms of a long-term.
नेशनल मोन्यूमेंट अथॉरिटी के अध्यक्ष प्रोफेसर किशोर कुमार भाषा जी, उड़ीसा सरकार के डीजी डीआरडो ईसीएस डॉक्टर बीके दास जी, ग्रुप एडिटर इंटरव्यू टाइम्स श्री दिव्यजीत साहू जी, पुरस्कार विजेतागण, आमंत्रित सभी विशिष्ट सज्जनगण, देवियों, सज्जनों और मीडिया के साथियों, आज हम राष्ट्रपिता महात्मा गांधी की जयंती मना रहे हैं। भारत माता के कोख से अनेक महापुरुष इस देश में जन्म लिए। उन महापुरुषों में दो महापुरुष का विशेष स्थान है। एक राष्ट्रपिता महात्मा गांधी, दूसरा जय जवान और जय किसान के मंत्र को प्रेरित करने वाले लाल बहादुर शास्त्री जी थे। तो अहिंसा दिवस के रूप में भी घोषित किया, ताकि शिक्षा और जन जागरूकता के माध्यम से उनके अहिंसा के दर्शन और रणनीति का प्रसार किया जा सके। इससे दुनिया में शांति, सहिष्णुता और समझ की संस्कृति को सुरक्षित करने के लिए अहिंसा के सिद्धांत की सार्वभौमिकता, प्रासंगिकता की पुष्टि। लाखों लोग अतीत और वर्तमान करने का काम कर रहे हैं, ताकि हमारे आने वाली पीढ़ी को उससे प्रेरणा मिलकर और अच्छा करे और उड़ीसा विकसित राज्य की श्रेणी में आए। ये क्षमता उड़ीसा वासियों के अंदर है। कुदरत ने, वैभव ने, प्राकृतिक ने दोनों हाथ से वैभव उड़ीसा में लूटा है। बस हमें उसे समृद्धि की ओर ले चलना है। इन्हीं शब्दों के साथ बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद।
बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद सर। आपके एक एक शब्द ऊर्जा जैसे हमको
है, तब हम जिंदगी में बहुत अव्वल बन सकते हैं। Thank you very much sir for your inspiring words. So ladies and gentlemen, now it's time for the most awaited top 20 most inspirational personalities of Odisha Award. May I request our guests to please do the honors, and we will start with the Lifetime Achievement of the Year Awards. So for today's event, and I hope we'll all make this endeavor a grand success. So together we need to
and throughout this evening you have been such a beautiful audience to us.
Thank you.